A Tagalog-speaking client is speaking to a recruitment officer, Scott, to get some help to find a new job. The dialogue takes place in a recruitment office. Dialogue begins now. Hi, I remember I spoke with you last time. Are you enjoying the job we found for you?
Opo, salamat po, Jim Scott. Talagang nakakapagbigay kasiyahan po ang trabaho. Kahit po sa maikling panahon, marami akong natutunan.
From what I heard from the receptionist, I believe you came here to seek a new job to advance your career. I am sure we can help you with that.
Sana po. Mahigit 2 taon po akong nagtrabaho sa naunang kumpanya. Pero gusto ko po sanang magtrabaho sa mas mataas na posisyon.
We had some good reports from your last manager. You have done a great job and progressed quickly. They will miss having you there.
Opo, habang sumusulong ang aking pagganap, lalong nasiyahan ang aking manager. Talagang nasiyahan po ako sa pagtatrabaho sa kumpanyang iyon. Pero kaunti lang po ang pagkakataon para mag-promote.
I understand. It was a small firm. I am happy to start searching for a new job. We will call the owner to find out if there are more senior positions.
Magaganda po sana iyon. Salamat po, Jim Scott. Ilang beses ko po nang tinanong ang kumpanya noon, pero sa palagay ko po ay iyon na ang pinakamataas na posisyon na maaari kong abutin doon.
We do have two similar companies in our book. They are both recruiting now. I think it's good timing for you.
Magandang balita po iyon. Dahil may sapat na po akong karanasan, gusto kong mag-apply sa posisyon ng manager.
They are the two largest companies that are recruiting an assistant warehouse manager. It's a good place to start.
Tugma po iyan. Gusto ko pong mag-apply sa posisyong iyon. Gusto ko pong patuloy na mapabuti ang aking kasanayan at madagdagan ang aking karanasan.
Okay, I can start the application process for you, and I will let you know if there are additional opportunities from your current company.
Maraming salamat po, Jim Scott. Maganda po sana iyon. Hihintayin ko po ang inyong tawag.